everyone, welcome to What's Cooking at Raymond. We're not really cooking today, but we're going to talk about something really yummy and something that maybe some of you have been trying out there. It's yogurt. There is so many brands of yogurt out there. I remember you only had a couple of choices many years ago, and now it seems like there has been a yogurt burst. Many types of yogurts, the Greek style yogurt, the fruit on the bottom, the ketos, the low sugar, the yogurt drinks, the yogurts with probiotics that are good for you. There's just so many yogurts around them. But no matter how you slice it, yogurt is good no matter how you eat them. Whether they have fruit in them, or they're chocolate flavored, or coffee flavored, or just plain yogurt where you could add your own fruit to them. And even yogurt, you can make it into dips or use them in sandwiches as well. But let me tell you a little bit about yogurt. Yogurt has been around for at least 5,000 years. And it's been very popular in the Mideast and in Europe and the Baltic states. Yogurt has been around there for many years. And in the 1900s, a lot of the scientists, the French scientists and the Turkish scientists, they realized that yogurt had a component in it, a bacteria, which was a good bacteria, so it aided in health benefit for people with stomach issues. They felt that yogurt was easy for them to digest. So since then, since the 1900s, yogurt has been very popular in the Mideastern countries, in the Baltics, and through Europe. It didn't become more popular in the United States till about the 1900s, when Danico introduced it as a yogurt. He came over here from Europe and he introduced a yogurt, and he called it Dano, Little Danny, after his son, which we came to know as Dannon yogurt. And then also Colombo. Colombo also came over from Armenia, and he also introduced yogurt to this country. He opened up a factory in Andover, Massachusetts, and produced Colombo yogurt, and that's how Colombo yogurt came in. Unfortunately, Colombo yogurt was sold to General Mills and is no longer around, but it started here in the 1900s in Andover, Massachusetts. Now, when yogurts first came over here, a lot of the Americans didn't like them. They were too sour for their palates. So Dannon actually introduced the fruit on the bottom yogurt, and that took off and was very popular. Through the years, the fruit on the bottom was the most popular. And then around 2000 or so, we were introduced to a new type of yogurt called Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a heavier type of yogurt, a strained yogurt. And people were kind of hesitant about that, but they realized that they could add honey to it or walnuts, and it had a better solid taste to it. And that took off, and now wherever you go in the grocery store, you find different types of Greek yogurts. I'm going to tell you a little story about Fayet yogurt. Fayet yogurt was in the New York area around 2000, around 20 years ago when I was in New York in Astoria, Queens. And it came over from Greece, and Fayet means eat in Greek. And it was very popular. It didn't come into the New England area until the mid-2000s, and ever since then, it's just exploded in our markets. But now, another type of yogurt has come into existence, Icelandic yogurt. That seems to be the biggest seller now from Iceland. This brand of yogurt, any yogurt now coming from Iceland, seems to have booted out the Greek yogurt, and now this one's taking a popular stance in our supermarkets. No matter how you slice it, no matter how you spoon it, yogurt is good. Whether it's got less sugar in it, fruit in the bottom, plain, French yogurt, Icelandic yogurt, Greek yogurt, it's good for you. You could add things to it, like I said. You can make a dip out of it. You could add your own fresh fruit to it. You can make it into a smoothie shake if you want, and it's great no matter what you do. So I hope next time you go into the grocery store, check out all the different yogurts. Have a great day.